5 secrets about you that you should never share with your woman. When it comes to relationship, honesty, loyalty, and being open is usually the best policy. But there are secrets about yourself that you should never share with your woman. You think now both of you are so much in love that you want to share, you want to open your mouth and share everything about yourself to her. But that will be a dangerous path you are treading on. In this video, I'll be revealing the top 5 secrets that you should keep to yourself. So let's get started. The first secret is your past relationship. Whilst it is okay to share some details about your past, you shouldn't go into too much details. Your woman doesn't need to know about all the drama, the heartaches you experienced in your past relationship. In your previous relationship, she don't need them. She don't need to know how many women breaks your heart, everything that went on in that past relationship. It is not going to make any difference. What is she going to use that information for? Whether if your woman slapped you before in your previous relationship, whether if a woman did something like this for you, if she stole your money, she cheated on you before in your past relationship, what is your current girlfriend or your current woman, is she going to use that information for? You need to keep this secret far away from her, since you know it is not going to help your current relationship. It is not contributing to your current relationship. Why are you going to share it? Because sharing your past relationship can bring up unnecessary drama and tension in your current relationship. Your woman may feel uncomfortable or insecure hearing about your past, and this can lead to conflict and argument, and it can also lead to trust issue in your current relationship. For instance, let's say the past you had with your ex was great. Maybe she loves you so much and you went ahead to cheat on her. That was why she break up with you. Or let's say maybe she wasn't good or something, or she was having the nyash, she was having the breast. So you telling your woman, your current girlfriend, all this, she may be feeling insecure, she will not be comfortable. Anytime you go out, she may be think you are still cheating on her with that your ex. She may be having that in her mind. And your peace of mind, you can't get it. She may even think maybe you are still in love with that your ex, because per what you have told her, if the relationship was so good, and let's say maybe it was just a connection that wasn't between both of you anymore, or maybe let's say the woman has traveled, you were in a different place, nothing bad happened, so you go ahead to tell her everything, how you love each other, you do this. Do you think she will be happy hearing all those things? Do you think she will not be feeling something within herself? She can't trust you. And let's say eventually if you meet that your ex and you say, this is my ex, or maybe both of you are living in the same town or the same country, and you finally introduce that ex to that your current girlfriend, there will not be any trust. She'll be wondering, are you still dating this ex? Are you not still in love with her? Those are the things that will be running through her mind. So for the betterment of your relationship, never share your past relationship with your woman, whether good or bad. Are you looking for sympathy? Are you looking for something great to come out from it after sharing it? No. So never open up. Keep it. Sometimes some things must be with you till you die. The last time I even make a video about some secrets you shouldn't share, I'll link that video in the description box. Go and check that one as well. It will help you so that you close your mouth. The next thing is your financial struggles. Whether you have the money or you don't have it, or you are struggling financially, sometimes don't overshare. Know your limit on some of the things you share with your woman. Sometimes it is okay to share some details about your financial situations with your woman, but you shouldn't burden your woman with all your financial problems, because if you do so, she may start to feel responsible for helping you manage your finances, which can lead to resentment and feeling of frustration, because my partner cannot manage his finances, my partner cannot manage certain things, so I have to be helping my partner. She'll be frustrated, and she may start to question your ability to provide for her and your family. So if she's a woman you are looking for, she's not going to accept your proposal. You just met this lady. Then the first thing you have to do is, I don't have money. I need to send money to my parents. There was this business here. I was struggling to raise money. I'm not looking for money to invest in this business. Are you telling her to borrow you money? Are you telling your woman to look for money and give it to you? A woman you're just proposing to on the first date. You started bringing all your financial struggles. Sometimes it is very difficult for me to eat. Sometimes some women, because I don't have money, they run away from me. Are you expecting her to have sympathy on you or to have empathy on you and accept you? What she's also going to think that if I accept this man's proposal right now, I'm going to be the one that will be sponsoring this woman. I'm going to be the one that will be catering for this man. This man cannot help me. cannot provide for me, cannot provide for his family. Why should I accept this man's proposal? That's how she's going to think. So it's better you keep your financial struggle to yourself and start working on it, how you come out of it. If you share all your financial struggles with her, she's not going to have confidence in you. She may start feeling uncertain about the future together. So my brother, if you are not married to this woman yet, maybe you are just proposing to this woman, stop oversharing. She's not going to borrow the money and give to you. Instead of telling her how you are struggling, why won't you work hard and overcome it? It would have been better than you putting everything on her. She may think that all your burden is going to be on her. Or sometimes if you are married to the person, you can open up. But opening up to this can even cause lack of intimacy in your relationship. Because some women, when they know that that man cannot cater for them anymore, cannot provide for them, they are going to be the head of the family. When they go on bed with you, it will be difficult for them to make love with you because they have it in their mind that you are broke, you don't have anything. So why should you be touching them as well? So my brother, keep this secret to yourself and work on your own financial struggles and come out of it. Simple. The next one is your insecurities. It is good sometimes you share some of your insecurity with your woman so that she can be aware of it. But sometimes to overshare it is the problem here. Don't burden her with everything. Just keep some of them to yourself and work on building your self-confidence. Sometimes when you share your insecurities with your woman, you may come across as someone who is lacking confidence. And this can make her question your ability to handle challenges and making decisions. Every woman wants to be with a man who is confident. They are confident in themselves. They believe themselves, not a man who is weakly. So as a man, you need to be bold. You have to overcome those insecurities. Sometimes when you share your insecurities with your woman, you may become vulnerable to manipulation. She may use your insecurities against you. She will make you feel guilty or obligated to do things you don't want to do. You may damage your reputation in her eyes. She may see you as a weak man, and this can lead to a loss of attraction and intimacy in your relationship. Let's just say maybe you are insecure about your nose or your ear or your head. Telling your woman this, that you're not confident in yourself, anytime you see your nose or you see your ear, is not nice to you. You have pointed out that place for her. She now know your weak points. She now know that you're not confident in those areas. That's why she'll be using it to manipulate you. That's why she's going to lose attraction for you. Or maybe let's say you are insecure about the size of your dick. So you open up to her. You are not confident in your own dick. The dick God have given to you, you are not confident using it well. You think you may not satisfy a woman with it. So if you tell a woman this, what do you think? Anytime she cheats on you, she will even say that your thing is not big, so you can't satisfy me. That's why. Because you told her all your weak points. She will use those things against you because yourself, you're not confident in it. Because there are something that you're not confident in them, whenever they use them against you, you'll be offended. If you know you are insecure about your tummy, how big your tummy is, don't open up to her. Just work on it. Some of the women, they understand things differently. Instead of them helping you to be confident in that, some of them, they may take advantage of it and use it against you. So sometimes it's better you keep it to yourself, work on it, and build your confidence. The next thing is your addictions. If you're addicted to something, whether it is drug, alcohol, or whatever, you shouldn't share this secret with your woman. Keep your addiction to yourself and seek help to come out of it. It's better than sharing it with a woman who is not going to help you to overcome it. Because sometimes sharing your addictions with your partner can lead to a loss of trust, especially if you are still struggling with such addiction. Your partner may feel that you are not being honest with them, or she may be thinking that you are not taking a step to overcome that addiction. For instance, let's say you are addicted to drug, or maybe you are addicted to alcohol, or you are addicted to cheating, whatever you are addicted to, and you open up to her. She may lose trust in you at the first place. And at the end, she may be thinking that, or you are not working on coming out of that thing. She's not going to trust you in a such a way that when you go out, when you come back late, she may think you went to cheat again, or she may think you went to drink again, or she may think you went to use the drug again. All this will be playing in her mind, even though you are working on changing. When you are addicted to something, it is difficult to stop. So maybe it's a gradual process. Once she's not seeing the result faster, she's going to use this against you. And she may even leave you. Telling her you can't live without drugs, or telling her you can't eat without drinking, is something that you are addicted to for a long time. So it will take a long time for you to come out of it. But she will be expecting you to come out faster. And when you are not doing it, she may not be feeling happy with you. She may think you are not being loyal to them, but you are struggling with it. So it's a gradual process. Instead of you sharing this with her, don't tell her and work on your own self to build your own life. If you share it with her and she leaves you, is that the best thing? The next secret you shouldn't share with any woman is your true intentions. Don't get me wrong, it is okay to share some of your intentions with your woman, but you shouldn't reveal all your cards. When you reveal your true intentions in that relationship, you may be giving away your power and control. Your woman may use this information to manipulate or influence your decisions. And also, sharing your true intentions can create pressure and expectations in the relationship. Your woman may feel like she needs to meet certain expectations or achieve specific goals, which can lead to anxiety and stress. If you tell a woman, by next 2 years or by next 1 year, I'll build a house for you, or I'll take you to Dubai for vacation, I'll buy a car for you, or something, that's your true intention. You are sharing with her. And let's say if things didn't go as planned, what is going to happen? You will live in regret. So now it's going to look like you have disappointed her. This way you are going to regret that you were too vulnerable, you overshare things. Or sometimes revealing your true intentions can lead to conflict and argument in the relationship. Your woman may disagree with your intentions or feel like they are not aligned with her goals, her values. So this way the argument is coming in. If you tell her that in the next 5 years we will give birth, in the next 2 years, she may agree or disagree. Maybe that's not what she wants. So sometimes it's better you keep quiet. So my brother, shut up. Okay? You overshare too much. So guys, these are the top 5 secrets you should never share with your woman. Remember, some secrets are better left unspoken. Keep this secret to yourself and you will be on your way of building a healthy and a successful relationship for yourself. So I hope you have learned something from this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. We are all here to learn, so please make sure you leave your point of view in the comment section. What do you think about this video? I want to know as well. Let's continue the discussion in the comment section. And please, when you like the video, it helps YouTube to recommend it to a lot of people. I keep saying it. Thank you for your support. Thank you for liking the video. God bless you so much. Till I see you in my next video. Stay blessed.